Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to add pop-up in Klaviyo. Now first thing, we got to click on sign up forms on the left side and click on get started. Now from here you're going to choose whether email or SMS, then click on next. Then click on pop-up. Click on next. Now you're going to choose if you want to include a teaser or if you don't want that. Then click on next. Now here you're going to choose if you want to offer a coupon or if you don't. And if you want to add a coupon, you can add a coupon code or how much percent you want it to have off. Then click on next. Then after that, just follow the steps and you're done. Thanks for watching.